Yes, my friend, constipation is a hidden epidemic. Many people are constipated without even realizing it. Surprising, right? Gut health, through its gut brain connection, is a crucial aspect of our overall well being. And I don't want to overlook constipation. That's why I ask my patients a key question. Do you have a soft, large, effortless, and satisfying bowel movements every single time, every day? And more often than not, the answer is no. Welcome to video 2 in our Constipation Holistic Relief series. Listen, going over all the reasons why constipation is bad for your body and how it affects you is not today's topic. But just know this: longer the stool sits in your colon, the more toxic compounds like cholesterol, estrogen, which were actively excreted in poop to get rid of, find its way back to blood and body by a pathway called enterohepatic circulation. Additionally, bacteria makes ammonia, methane, hydrogen sulfide. You may remember this gas, hydrogen sulfide, as it smells like a rotten egg. All these gases and compounds exit the body with stool with regular bowel movement. However, with constipation, more and more gas may find its way back into the bloodstream and body, leading to symptoms like bloating, gasiness, fatigue, lack of energy. Far too long, modern medical science overlooked the importance of a regular bowel movements. However, we are now beginning to understand the critical role that gut health plays in overall body health. So, you may ask, what causes constipation? Well, majority of constipation is not a rocket science. It's just a plain messed up lifestyle. Yes, there are other causes of constipation, less common though, which is beyond the scope of this video. But know this: if you are older than 45 years and you may have iron deficiency anemia, or unintentional weight loss, or sudden unexplained constipation, or family history of colon cancer, or you may have obstructive symptoms or blood in stool, then you definitely need to talk to your doctor. Apart from a good history and examination from your doctor, and may need a lab test, you may also need a colonoscopy. I hear you. You didn't come here to understand the complicated pathophysiology of constipation. You are here to learn how to take care of your gut and constipation in a holistic way. So, I'm going to skip all the complicated medical jargon and jump straight into my top 20 holistic tips for relieving constipation. Of course, my first tip is about correcting our unhealthy lifestyle. Here I am specifically talking about lack of sufficient quantity and diversity of whole and unprocessed plants in our diet. This includes vegetables and greens, beans and lentils, fruits and berries, nuts and seeds, and spices. But why? Why are unprocessed whole plants crucial for combating constipation? The answer lies in their fiber content. Fiber is exclusively found in plants, just like cholesterol is exclusively found in animal sources of food. Each plant boosts its unique array of fiber types. Additionally, Each fiber variant supports the growth of a distinct family of beneficial bacteria in our gut, contributing to a diverse range of health benefits. Therefore, by incorporating a wide variety of whole plants into our diet, we can cultivate a more robust and diverse population of beneficial gut bacteria. It's essential to avoid falling into the trap of relying on fiber supplements, though, which are not only expensive but highly processed and potentially contaminated with toxic chemicals and heavy metals, and I consider them unsafe until proven otherwise and much inferior in every aspect compared to fiber coming from whole plants. By focusing on fiber-rich, colorful plants, we not only optimize our digestive health but also benefit from the countless other nutrients like vitamins and minerals and antioxidant phytochemicals present in these wonderful foods. But some of you science nerds may point out that fiber cannot be digested by our stomach and intestinal cells. Then how does it even work? You are right. Fiber cannot be digested either by humans or by any animals on planet Earth. Only microorganisms like bacteria or fungi can break fiber down. So, it makes sense that it has 0 calorie for us. Despite being calorie free, fiber doesn't just make us feel full. It literally fills you up from stomach all the way to your anus, the bottom end, including both the small and large intestines, which is known as the colon. Consequently, it creates a larger and softer stools that gently stretch the colon wall and stimulate muscular contractions, resulting in natural evacuation without the need for voluntary pushing and straining. But when the diet lacks fiber, stools are small in volume and unable to stretch and stimulate the colon wall muscles, leading to a lack of forward movement. As a result, stool becomes harder and harder. Since we don't have voluntary control over these colon muscles, which are managed by our autonomic nervous system, that means you cannot move them like your biceps muscles. They are autonomic. Then the question is, how do we even evacuate the hard stool sitting in our colon? We take a deep breath, contract our abdominal and chest muscles, and bear down as if we are trying to deliver a baby. However, when we strain, we are indiscriminately increasing the pressure inside our entire body. Yes, this does pushes the stool out, but also makes our eyeball feel like they are going to pop out. We can bleed from our nose. Some patients strain so hard that they see stars in daylight because they have microscopic bleeding inside the vitreous cavity of their eyeballs from pushing so intensely. It's not a laughing matter, my friend. While one day of straining might not be a big deal, long-term straining can lead to numerous complications such as diverticulosis, hiatal hernia, various other hernias, acid reflux, varicose veins, leg swelling, hemorrhoids, painful anal fissures, and in rare cases, even potentially an extremely painful and deadly brain hemorrhages. The good news is that preventing these problems is relatively easy. But the bad news is once they develop, they cannot be undone. In our next video, we will discuss the second constipation relief, where we will discuss a food which is not only much cheaper, safer, but also so much better than fiber powders and capsules. Creating videos like this takes considerable time, especially for a busy physician and a busy dad like me. Your support means a lot to me. So please like, subscribe, and share the video to help my channel grow. Until next time, take care of yourself and your loved ones.